Oh my gosh, you're so weird.
That with a step back. When I come around, try and kick back. It's that. Know that she into all of that. When I come round me, yeah, want to kick that. Little one-liners, yeah, I know they could take that. Let me just wait for the next drop. Wait.
Today, I am so excited. We've got a new episode of Beyond the Build, and this is episode 5, where we're exploring a 12 luxury condo or rental product in Cliffside Park, New Jersey. Now, not only is this thing awesome, it's literally downtown New York City transportation. It's got a beautiful rooftop residence lounge, elevator building, all 2-bedroom, 2 baths with open floor plans, and such beauty throughout. I mean, literally just walk to your favorite little farmer's market, etc. That's how awesome this project is. Modern aesthetics, kick-ass developer, ready to go product. This is what Beyond the Build is about. Come peek under the hood with me about what this project looks like. We're about to head out. Me too, man. Especially when it comes to a bill, baby. You think I'm obsessed?
Yeah, but obsession is good. But if this is the thing you're obsessed with.
Just make sure the door is locked for security purposes. All right, so we like taking a freight elevator. Ain't no fanciness here. We usually want the stairs, actually, Robbie. We should have did the stairs. All right, we're rolling to Cliffside Park. Let's check this bad boy out. I'm ready to go. Let's do it. I only got 18% on the Tesla. Fuck.
Notorious. It's part of the routine now.
I think it is.
It might have to just be part of the routine.
Dude, we're going to have to hit one Beyond the Build today. So we're checking out 608 Gorge today, and this is a downtown Cliffside Park 12-unit luxury rental or condo product. Oh, look at these bikers. We got a Sunday biker crowd going on here, man. Look at this. Let's go. Yeah, so this one's awesome. It's with a really kick-ass developer, a guy I've worked with a bunch of different times to success, and it's something that we're finding the community wants. They want to have a nicer, more spacious product in this area, and that allows for older baby boomer generations with the elevator build, a little bit more wider, spacious for ADA, and just an overall feel of the build. That's what the differences of these builds are. Every one of them is not the same, but they're at scale in the same format in different buckets. What does that mean? There's products that's going to be for 20 and 30-year-olds, 40 to 50-year-olds, 60 to 70-year-olds, and obviously, you know, everything above. People are living to about 100 years old these days. You know, I got a vision to go to 96. Got to keep that train on the tracks. We got a random person just right at the front door, just letting all the cold air in. Gotta love it. Just freezing cold outside. You know, I did read a stat lately that if babies are left in cooler temperatures, in Switzerland, they do it outside. It could be, 0 degrees out. They bundle them up and leave the face out. They actually get a much better sleep and a more cognitive and REM sleep.
Really?
Yeah, you can look into it. We're about to pass our 15 unit that we did. I think it was episode 1 or 2, Robbie.
Is this the funeral home?
Yeah, 15 unit approved that we have right here. So we're going across the board. Now we're going to head to the other side of town, where we got another sexy beast here. It's going to advance this community, make this thing pop right on the downtown. And I know every single person here, they want to have their town pop. I love Cliffside. I love everything about the traditional values, and I want to see this thing pop. Guys and gals like me, we're making it happen to make sure the streetscape advances. You got beauty and also sereneness. I mean, look at this new development right here. The center, this thing's kick-ass. How beautiful, right? So well received. There's going to be people that don't want it and people that do want it, but that's the best part, is because you're going to get the old with the new and everything in between. But what is accurate and truthful in the neighborhood, that's what we're seeking on putting product on. We can't have product that's 40, 50, 70 years old. We need to continue to build. Other countries, they're always building. They build with beauty. We want to match that. And I see that beauty that's in South Florida. I see that beauty in LA, and I see all of it around there. We're bringing it here to New Jersey, Robbie. We're making sure this looks just as beautiful. So this thing right here, to give you an idea, this developer not only approves and gets the project into a position to build and be to life, but it also started and accomplished a large amount of what's called shoring. The shoring work is to shore up the sides of the property so nothing caves in. Quite a bit of work goes into that. Also, the construction drawings, the MEPs, mechanical, electrical, and plumbings, and then pulling permits. All of that takes time. Could take 3 months, 6 months, even more, just to get that stuff done. So what we need to find ways to expedite this, to make it quicker, so these developments can come to life, communities can be had, and it drives down pricing with competition. As we bring out more, people have more options, and it makes that more affordable. And that's certain things that we care about. Here, more options means more people that are coming to the community, and it's a beautiful thing. Let's go check this bad boy out. We're repping our Ohio State Buckeyes today, even though that we didn't win. We blew the big one. I'm still here loud and proud, baby. So you see how this thing is fully fenced? This is because you got to prevent liability left and right when it comes to developments. We don't want anybody trespassing on this land. Otherwise, they're going to mess our stuff up. And you know what I found recently? There was a squatter on one of our sites, and it sucked, and we had to get him out. Now, thank God this person was okay and they moved. But imagine it's your site. Imagine it's your family, someone else. You don't want this. So right now it's fully fenced out. Let's come check out on the corner. Remember, I always say corner lots, right? This one's a corner lot because you can get more parking. So corner lot equals more parking. So for this, you can get an ingress and egress, it's called, which means fancy word for in and out. Just get in one side and out the other. With one lane of traffic in and out, you're allowed to be able to increase your parking ratio because you got more square footage, right? If you don't go 2 lanes where you require 24 feet back to front, it's a much different build. You can build much skinnier and have more parking spots. So that's what was accomplished here, and this is what we did. In case anybody needs to use the restroom, they got that on site. Always a double check on construction. And this is what it looks like right here. Check out downtown. You can see another build right over here, very similar. You can see these ones right here, Robbie, behind, over on this side. Look at these beauties right here that Premier built. Awesome. Advancing the streetscape, man. You see on the top there, they got rooftop decks. That's the first time in a long time, and this wave of beauty has come to our area. Why restrict New Jersey's beautiful views? Why restrict the sun from everybody, right? We're post-COVID, which means get that outdoor space, and that's something that I love. We're bringing it to everybody here, and that means you guys right there. So, 608 Gorge Road, 12 luxury condos or rentals, coming at you right here from Cliffside Park. Boom! And we even got our ERG sign up too. It's one of those days.
You're the one I want. You're the one I need. I wanna hold you close. I need you by my side. 'Cause you're all I want. I know what you need.